How to take a screenshot on iPhone without buttons. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to turn on a feature called AssistiveTouch. Open up your settings. Inside, your scroll below, then tap on Accessibility. Now scroll below, tap on Touch. Simply tap on AssistiveTouch and make sure it is on. Now you will see a small floating button appear on your screen. That's your new shortcut tool. Now to make your shortcut even faster, you have to simply tap on this loading icon. Then simply tap on Custom. Now you can simply tap on this plus button. And just like that, simply tap on Customize Top Level menu. Inside here, you can either add a icon or replace an existing one. Tap onto the one you would like to replace. Scroll below, then here simply tap on Screenshot. After that, tap on this tick mark. Now head back to your home screen. And just like that, whenever you want to take a screenshot, you can simply tap on this loading icon. Then you will be able to find screenshot button, tap onto it, and your screenshot is captured instantly with no button needed. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.